Beijing drip pipe coupling offers you an easy-to-install, time-saving and money-saving solution. In this video, we are going to introduce Beijing drip pipe coupling installation. Step 1. Find the assembly line and mark the location of the insert connector. Step 2. Put the coupling on the one of marked position first and keep it. Step 3. Put the other pipe in the coupling and ensure the coupling in marked position. Step 4. For more convenient and fast installation, we can use hexagon wrench to tighten the two bolts alternately and fix coupling firstly. Or electric screwdriver can be used to speed up installation, as customers prefer it. Step 5. To ensure successful use, a torque wrench must be used when installed. Please select proper torque for each type as indicated on the label. Then tightening the two bolts alternately with torque wrench until the screws have been torqued up. We can see the installation of pipe coupling is very easy. No grooving or welding are needed. Now the installation is finished.